Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today I have another Hot Wheels Monster Trucks unboxing for you guys today. And I got a truck from the Super Mario series, and obviously there's 4 of them in the set, and I ordered all 4, but one of them came today. And the first one I'm going to be reviewing is Bowser. And I must say, even though I don't have all 4 of them yet, I kind of think Bowser's probably going to be my favorite because, you know, like, Bowser's like my favorite Mario character, and like I've always liked Bowser, and I don't know, I just always feel like the villain character trucks like get the just look cool in my opinion. I don't know why, but without further ado, let's unbox the Bowser monster truck. So here is the truck. So it's got red rims and gold bead locks. It's using the dairy delivery tooling, and this is the first one to ever have matte paint, which is really cool. You got Bowser on the side with some flames. It says Bowser. You got the green and red. Nothing on the front. You got the Bowser emblem, Bowser on the top, and you got Bowser with more flames. Then you got Bowser again on the side with some flames. Very nice looking truck. Then on the tailgate, you got the flames, the Bowser logo, and the Super Mario logo. Very cool. And then here's the bottom. It's got a olive or forest green chassis and a burgundy roll cage. So yeah, that is the that was the Bowser monster truck from the Hot Wheels Monster Truck Super Mario series. The other 3 should be coming soon, and then I will unbox and review those as well. And then yeah, so that'll do it for this video. More unboxings coming soon, and peace out.